Try mo. Kasi masarap talaga siya. Hey, what happened? Mainis siya ng konti Kagatin mo lang muna. Go, go, go. Lahat mo na. Sarap, no? Malagnat ka ba na naman?
No.
Ikaw lang na nagising na mag-isa? May nagising sa'yo? Taas mo ang t-shirt mo. Sarap nito. Deep fried. Ang daming oil, pero masarap pa rin siya. Ito lang ang kakainin namin pang ulam, alam mo? We just have this, and then that's it. Sarap. Ano ba? Masakit ang ulo mo?
Yeah.
Chan?
Don't touch me.
Init. Tay, wait. Hawakan mo lang to. Tay, kuna. Wow. Nasaan yung towel mo? Yung maliit. Di ba mayroong pangmuka?
It's there. Last drawer.
Come.
Wait. Let's just stay still.
Doon ka mag-measure. Oh. Doon ka mag-measure. Come.
Hey.
Pag hindi dito malamig dyan, mas mainit dito.
I know.
Ito ba? Ba? Wait.
Oh my gosh. Marco? 30.
Anong temp mo? Anong temp mo, Vibe?
Doon ka muna.
Anong temperature niya?
Almost 39. Wait.
May fever
no,
si Vibe.
It's fine.
Vibe, mag-paracetamol ka muna.
Yeah.
Richard.
Huh? No, not yet.
No, come here. I'm not kidding. Sit here.
Higa ka lang, Vibe. Higa ka lang. Huwag ka magpapagod muna.
Just remove the water. Yeah. Come here.
Diri ka anay o ka nang imuulo diri para paato ka para dali ka namon makakuan.
Thank you guys so much.
Sige lang. Higa. Ayo pag cover kayo kay para dili magkuan mo body temperature. Tugnaw kayo. Di ba tugnaw ang chimpo? Excuse me. Yan. Huwag ka muna maligo, Vibe, ha? Sponge bath ka
Malamig siya,
lang.
okay? Not yet the medicine. Just wait for a little bit. And if it's not go down, we take the medicine. But not for the moment.
Keep it there by the side of the bed so that it won't get kicked through. This is the... Or over her.
The food.
Kanina mo pa yan nararamdaman?
Kanina.
I think it's the effect of the last 2 days. Kisses. Parang nabali ang kamay mo. Wait, ayan mo muna dyan. Para bumaba ng konti yung temperature mo. Mamaya kung hindi siya bababa, kuha tayo ng medicine. Pero para sa ngayon, ito muna. Tayo, wait. Kabilang side. Ano ba kinain mo? Kumain ka ba kanina?
Yeah.
Kanina pang umaga na feel mo to?
No. After.
The confession, bro. Sobrang saya ka, naging
Yeah, that was what I was thinking.
naging over. Ano gayon? Every time na sumasaya ka, nagiging
Sure.
nagkakalagnat. Hayaan ko lang to dito, okay? Para lumamig ng konti. Tay, palawan ka lang muna. Ba't kinuha mo yung menthol?
No, I just had a stomachache last night. And
No, masakit pa rin.
not anymore.
Apart yung head, may masakit ba? Pahinga. Okay lang yan. Lakas ka na, no? Baka nasobrahan na ng belief sa sarili na
Shut up.
nag-boom. Nag-boom ang ulo.
Shut up.
Kaya mo yan. Lagnat
No,
mo yan.
no.
You're not dying. But still, we have to check up because it was it's 39, so baka mag-shake ka na mamaya. Yes? Oh, it's something for you, I think. Stay here, okay? Don't move.
Yeah.
Cover mo yung ano mo. Ay, mas Thank you, kuya. Got it. Got it. Can you take it back? Just wait. Just leave this. Wait. Yeah, can you put it back, please? Ready?
You got it already.
Sobrang hot mo
It's
kasi.
an ice bag.
Nago ko lang. Ano na palabas?
Taray. Taray ba nito? Yung pala, akalain, normal lang siya. Pagkatapos, taray bay. Ano man naman ito? Ice. Yeah. Of course it's ice. If not, it's not cold. Nilalamig ka ba? Di ba pag may lagnat, nilalamig lagi?
No.
Kanina sabi ba, hindi ako dinalamig. Na! Hindi ko binigay sa jacket, ice cube ka na dun. One time, one of my friends, I don't know if it's true, but he told me that when he has lagnat, and he told me to do it, but I never did. So I'll try it. When he has lagnat, para bumaba yung pressure niya, para lumamig siya, he think about Alaska. And then he gets colder. So yeah, I'm not the only stupid one in the world.
Ice bucket challenge.
Yeah, nice idea. Nung dati ako, kasi nanay ko pinasanay sa akin na pag may lagnat, hindi agad medicine dapat. Kasi di ba, malay mo in future, wala nang medicine. Ang meron ka ng ice or natural funds. So ang gagawin mo first, yung front, likod ng ulo, neck, and then yung mga kamay at paa. Yun ang babasahin mo na malamig na tubig. If not, kung hindi pwede yun, kung wala ka nito, ang gawin mo na lang, maligo ka na malamig. Kasi talaga, nung bata, ang ginawa, 7 years old, tanda ko pa, I was 40, nalagnat. Hindi ako pina-hospital, it was midnight, walang sumasagot sa hospital. Ang ginawa, pinuno yung liguan, pinuno ng ice cubes and water. Oh, it was freaking cold.
It's like torture.
Yeah, she put me inside that. Oh, God. It was hurting me inside, but yun, nawala yung sakit. So, yun ang gagawin mo.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do to my kid. Kasi di ba pag nasanay ka sa gamot lagi, na pag may sakit gamot, lalambot yung pagiging malakas ng katawan mo. From 1 to 10, yung ulo mo masakit na...
Yeah, headache.
Masakit na masakit.
8.
Na. Headache. Paano kaya mo? Anong pwede kong gawin? Baka yung kasi kung bakit wala ako lagi nagkaka-headache. Wala kasi akong utak. No, this is an advantage. Told you, I have advantage. And that's why I was the third one to that game of Kuya Do.